show me the love. There's a nice, hello, how are you? Also got them in boxes as well, so ideal for gifts. Prada mini bag, Mark drunk, it's her fault. Caps as well here. It's name and Y bar. Has some very, very beautiful stuff inside here as well. You show me the love. Hats and caps and things here as well. New. Very unique designs there. Here, some really, really nice stuff here as well. How are you? All the wonderful Karma Spa massage staff there. Chef recommended from the menu. Different teams, different styles, lots of things in there. Have good evening from Bali, Indonesia. So it's just gone 6:30 p.m. I'm here in the Legian area of Bali, and what I'm going to feature in tonight's video for you is a street walking tour along a section of the street of Jalan Padma Utara. So the street of Jalan Padma Utara here in the Legian area of Bali is a very popular tourist street. It's home to quite a few hotel accommodation options, restaurants, bars, lots of tourist goods shopping. You name it, you'll just about find it all in this area. So the street of Jalan Padma Utara is just off the very popular tourist street of Jalan Padma, which is also another fabulous, great tourist street featuring a lot of hotel accommodation, lots of restaurants, also tourist goods shopping. In tonight's video, my starting point is going to be where the street of Jalan Padma Utara meets the street of Jalan Padma, from the corner of the Posers pub and the McCann Place restaurant on the opposite side, and I'm going to walk all the way through to the Abyss Styles Hotel. As I'm walking along the street, I'm going to take in the hotel accommodation, the bars, the restaurants, the tourist goods shopping, and just give you a general idea what you can expect from this section of street here in the Legian area of Bali. So without any further ado, let's go and get started and take a street stroll along Jalan Padma Utara. Okay, so this is a start point for this evening's video. Directly straight ahead is the street we're going to be walking along, Jalan Padma Utara. A few tourists about. On the Poser pub on the corner here. This is the street of Jalan Padma here. Have McCann Place just across the street there, very popular restaurant that. And we're going to be heading along Jalan Padma Utara. Just waiting for this traffic. So there's the street, Jalan Padma Utara. It's the Posers pub just across the street there. A few customers inside there. Walk along the street here. So just here we have Jenna Beauty Salon. Hello, how are you? Love you. Some tourist goods shops here, lots of sports shirts, handbags and things in this one. Sandals, sports shirts. How are you, brother? You good? It's okay, yeah? Just go inside and have a look now. So we have lots of sports shirts inside of here, all the different teams, all different styles, lots of things in there. Have Lakers as well here. Lakers. Some different sports shirts there. Has a big collection of bags as well all along here as well. So many sports shirts here. I'm not sure of all of these teams. Maybe people can help me out with what these are. Kids, men's, lots of different ones available. Just back up here we have a collection of sandals as well. We have some KFC sandals, some Crocs here, Gucci, ladies, men's, Harley Davidson also, Birkenstock. Have the Man City sports shirt up there, football t-shirt. Also the I Love Bali t-shirts as well. Oh, towel. Yeah. I Love Bali towel. Some sunglasses as well here. Nice collection of caps also. And he has some nice handbags as well here. Louis Vuitton, Prada. Many different types there. Sorry. Just leaving on from that shop there, we have Nemo Inc. Tattoo studio here. There's a name there in lights, Nemo Inc. How are you, brother? Just next door to that we have Bali Restro, this is called. We've quite a few customers inside there. They have the flat screen TVs up there. Customers watching the sport. Flat white, cappuccino, long black. Sydney versus Bulldog. Oh, that must be what's on now. Happy hour on selected cocktail, no tax. A few customers inside of there. Just keep walking along. So that's called Bali Restro. Just next along the line we have a place called Bad Wolf. Bad Wolf Barber and Cigar Lounge. Very, very beautiful barber's shop this. That's the inside of the barber's shop. Cigar Lounge is just upstairs there. We won't go upstairs. Okay, so just continuing on from Bad Wolf now, we'll just continue walking along the street. A bit of activity with the locals across the street there. The shop here featuring some ladies' dresses. Some Western tourists inside there. Nice big collection of ladies' dresses in there. Customers. Squeeze through this tight gap here. Some more tourist goods shops here along the street. This one's got some household decor, dream catchers and things of that nature inside of here. Some perfumes as well here. Lots of the different perfumes. Has some hats as well for kiddies there. Bintang hats, swings. There's some of the bamboo surfboards as well here in Bali. You can usually put your name or anything you want on these. Lots of things inside of there. Some hats and caps and things here as well. New Era, Callaway, Red Bull. Many different types. Adidas there. Billabong. Just here we have La Karma Spa. Hello, good evening, how are you? All the wonderful La Karma Spa massage staff there. It's there at La Karma Spa. Oh, sorry, it's bright light, we can't really see it. Just next door we have a central Kuta money exchange. No commission. There's the exchange rates on the board today. US dollar, Aussie dollar, euro. Chinese RMB, Japanese yuan. We're just going to head just across the street there. We have Le Monde and La Bella Vista. Two restaurants, has an upstairs seating area there. We're just going to take you across and see if we can get some information. So we have Bella Vista Mini Mart, open cash only. We have Le Monde Bar Special. Some of the things on the board there. Here's some of the chef recommended from the menu. No tax, no service charge. There's the name, Le Monde. And it's just up the stairway there. We're just going to continue here. We have Bella Vista just next door. Bella Vista, we served only coffee. Let's come and enjoy. Also looks as though they have ice cream. It's just in the back there. And just across the street we have the Y Bar Sports Bar. Very busy inside here. All of the flat screen TVs. Name the Y Bar. Flat screen TVs inside there. Looks very busy. How are you? We have Dome here. This is for all of your slushies and things here. There's your slushies. Dare to Challenge. In the back there. We're just going to take you around the side here and just have a look at the sports bar. We have the new Garden View Resort here. It's just in the back there. And then here's the Y bar. So you can see it's got flat screen TVs all around. Very, very busy inside. Looks like some kind of Aussie rules football or something on. Lots of big flat screen TVs. Very busy in there. And then just at the end here we have the new garden view resort, Legian Bali. Just down from the new garden view and on the opposite side we have the tattoo parlour. It's just here. The tattoo studio. The Kima Pharmaceutical on the end here. We're just going to cut across the street here. We do actually have some accommodation. I'm going to have to walk down the street and remember the name. I have covered it in a video. I'll just walk to the end here. Okay, so here we are at the end of the small street. It's called Rumah Santai Villas and Spa. I shall add the link in the description of what that looks like for you. It's just behind the door there. Okay, just coming out of Rumah Santai Villas and Spa, we'll continue walking along the street. We have Bali sneakers here. She's got some really, really nice sneakers. Very unique designs there. Lots in there. Also have some nice handbags as well available in here. Some different handbags. Some like sandals down there as well. Have a Kima Pharmaceutical across the street there. There's an entrance to a new garden view resort. I'm going to walk a little bit along the street here. Sports apparel, fixed price, it says on the door there. How are you, brother? Good, good. Lots of sports shirts, handbags and things inside of there. Just here we have another tourist goods shop. Lots of sunglasses in this one. Sandals, shirts, lots of stuff in there. How are you, brother?
Got some viewers.
We have the Aussie Bakehouse across the street here. This is already closed. There we go. It's already closed. I don't know whether this is closed permanently or whether it's already closed because of the time. So just across the street here we have lots of tourist goods shops. We have Putu sandal and perfume. Let's just cut back across and see this. There's some nice stuff in here. Some nice sandals available here at Putu. Some of the Chloe ones here. Some really, really nice stuff here as well. Lots of very unique designs. Some leather ones up above there. Some more chunky ones here. Lots of different sandals available there inside Putu. So just from Putu shop, we have another little tourist goods shop next door. We have a tailor across the street there. Also a tattoo studio. And then just here we have Christine Day Spa. Hello, good evening girls, how are you? Show me the love. There's a nice massage girls there. Christina Spa. Just continue on along the street. Not sure whether we have anything in the back here. Oh, we have Lydia Hair and Beauty Spa and Salon. It's just down in the back street there. Hello, good evening, how are you? Show me the love. Nice massage girls again there on the street. Just here we have a jewellery shop. It's like gold, silver jewellery in here. Lots of cabinets, very bright light, very difficult to pick it up. Rings, necklaces, earrings, pendants, all available I see inside of there. Just across the street here we have more tourist goods shops, Shogi Mart as well across there. I just want to come across here and show you this t-shirt. If I'm drunk, it's her fault. A nice t-shirt, lots of ladies' dresses. Some nice looking vest tops up here. Some nice tops as well here. Ladies' dresses. Some stuff inside of there. Jaya Pillow Bali. Some like beanbag seating. I think these are for dogs. Some like swing chairs as well. Lots of nice decoration. Is it okay? I just go in. And then he has some very, very beautiful stuff inside here as well. Lots of pillows and things, all home decor stuff. Very nice collection actually in here. Lots of bean bags, nice soft cushion seating. Many different pillow designs. Very nice. Wow. So just from Jay, a pillow, Bali, very kind of him to let us have a look in his shop. I have another tourist goods shop here. Wow, this one's full and loaded with lots of handbags. How are you, brother? Is okay, yeah? Lots of handbags in here. He's also got them in boxes as well, so ideal for gifts. Prada, mini bag, Marc Jacobs, lots of different brands, Christian Dior. So many inside of there. Also has a nice collection of wallets as well here. Wow, look at those. Nice one there with the tiger on. Louis Vuitton. Some really beautiful caps as well here. Such nice designs, very nice. Also has a big collection of sunglasses as well there. Lots more stuff inside there, you just have to come and visit him yourself. Lots more tourist goods shops again. This one's got a big collection of sports shirts and things in there. Also has some stuff for the kiddies as well. Quicksilver, Rip Curl, small kids, bigger kids, Bintang. My Nana is awesome, my auntie is awesome, my Poppy is awesome. Some nice caps as well there. Sunglasses, lots of tourist goods stuff here. More of the same in this one again, lots of sports shirts and things. Lots more across the street there again, some more shoe shops and things like that. Just continue walking up the street here. So next here we have the Three Brothers bungalows. I have actually featured this in the video, I shall add the link in the description for you. Three Brothers Inn. It's just in the back there. Nice accommodation this. Itu Legian Bali. This is a restaurant connected with the Three Brothers. Have some customers inside of there also. I have a seating area at the front here just by the roadside. There is also a seating area inside. It's very nice seating area actually here. Beautiful at this far end here with the design on the wall. And we have a little bit of darkness. Okay, so just coming out of the darkness now again. Big group of tourists again on the street here, and now we've arrived at the Abyss Styles Hotel. Lots of different things available here. Daycation package, day pass. Have a pool pass there for 150,000. Any of you are interested in that? Cocktails, happy hour, buy one, get one. It's all there at the Abyss Styles. Just in the back there. If anybody has a request for this hotel, do send me. I've never featured this in a video. A few more local little businesses and things here. And this is where we're going to end today's video. Some more businesses down there. Tattoo studio. Leather shop here. Another tourist goods shop here. A money exchange there. As a look back at the street we've just come down. Okay, so that concludes this evening's video, my street stroll here in Legian along a section of the street of Jalan Padma Utara. So as you've seen with the camera in tonight's video, I think there was 3 hotel accommodation options, 2 of which I have featured in videos previously. I shall add the links in the description for those. It's the Three Brothers and the Rumah Santai. You also had the Garden View Resort. I've never featured that place, would like to. I have made requests but never been able to feature that in the video. Also had the Y Bar as well, sports bar next door to the Garden View. That's a very popular sports bar in this area. Lots of flat screen TVs. Looks as though there's some kind of Aussie rules football or something on the TVs. Very busy inside there. Also a nice collection of restaurants on the street. Lots of tourist goods shopping, tattoo studios, massage and spa. You name it, you just about find it all on the street of Jalan Padma Utara. So on that note, hope you've enjoyed tonight's video. Hope some of you find this video useful, and I shall say bye for now.